Hello everyone and welcome to Daria Draws. Today making another impulsive artwork using only the colors on my palette that are left from the previous painting, and also this work is inspired by the Impressionists and Post-Impressionists, so let's get to it. I knew that I wanted to create a dreamy pose, so I decided to sketch the figure kind of hugging her knees and looking directly at the viewer. I started off by using a peachy color instead of my usual browns or grays, just because the canvas was already painted with such a dark green color. I knew that I wanted to create a painting that was very atmospheric, and I didn't want to have too many details, just to emphasize that it's a sunset and all the colors are looking a little bit more dim. The main mood of the painting is that she's sitting on her towel. She was sun tanning in her swimsuit and her hat, and now it is the end of the day and it's just like a very calming and soothing painting. The choice of color for the figure is very unusual for me, but I wanted to stick with only the leftovers that I had from the previous artwork, and it was like an extra challenge for me. So I decided to separate that. The colder colors will be for the shadows, and then the warmer ones will be for the lighter parts of the body. And I feel like that glowing effect did really work. That twilight, you can see it in the painting because of the contrast between the lavender and the peach. I'm very excited about this color combination. I think it's so refreshing, it's so glowy. What do you think? Do you like this color combo, or would you just go for something a little more neutral? I decided to darken the background a little bit more, just to have some contrast with the figure and to just deepen that nice forest green. There isn't going to be a huge contrast between the shadows and the lights in this artwork, since the sun is almost down and you can't really have those strong contrasts there. However, I wanted to add a pop of color in terms of the ginger hair and later on in the towel, and especially the fingertips and the toes, just to connect all the elements in the painting together. The swimming suit and the hat are almost the same color, except that the swimming suit is a little bit more muted and the hat is a little bit brighter, and I just wanted to keep this painting very light, as if it was done in 5 minutes. That's why the hat is just kind of done within one stroke. I also kept some of that toned canvas dark green color peeking through the figure as outlines, and then I added a little bit more just in certain places to show a certain crevice or a skin fold. I didn't have any intentions of painting every single finger in detail, but I wanted to show the overall movement of the wrists and of the toes. Even though the lavender shadow is not allowing me to have as much contrast as I'm used to, I think it makes the painting look very gentle and very soft. The towel is somewhere in between in terms of brightness between the hat and the swimming suit. So again, we have that from top to bottom connection between the elements. And of course, my favorite trick or method to connect all of the colors together is the reflections in the background. I just like putting those little dots and smudges around. I feel like it just creates a whole different experience. Of course, during the process, I still redefined certain details in the body, and last but not least, the face. I wanted it to have a certain soft but strong at the same time expression, and I still wanted the strokes to be very seamless and blend into each other. Here you are about to see the end result. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. You can find some similar content over here or just binge my videos over there.